So, Neil, do you think this cyclic universe thing is just cosmic bedtime stories, or real science?
Well, Globus, if the universe keeps hitting reset, maybe we're all just cosmic reset buttons.
Imagine that. Every Big Bang is just the universe hitting replay.
Yeah, and I'm the next episode of the universe's soap opera.
Wait, but would that mean no beginning? No end? Just cosmic déjà vu?
Exactly, like Cosmic Groundhog Day, but with more black holes.
And what about those magnetic monopoles? Did we just dodge cosmic confetti forever?
Maybe monopoles are just the universe's party crashers, and brane collisions, our cosmic cleanup crew.
So, to sum up, no singularity, no weird initial conditions, just eternal cosmic bouncing?
Yep, and each bounce smooths out the wrinkles, keeps the universe flat, and dodges magnetic messes.
But how do we test this? Can we even peek into the next cycle?
Maybe not yet, but gravitational waves from past bounces could be our cosmic breadcrumbs.
So, future cosmology is more like cosmic archaeology, digging through epochs of bouncing history.
And I'd be the archaeologist with a giant cosmic pickaxe, unlocking universe secrets.
Honestly, it sounds like the universe is just a never-ending cosmic dance, swaying, bouncing, repeating.
Yeah, and we're just trying to keep up without tripping over black holes.
Do you think, maybe, other dimensions are like cosmic dance partners hiding behind the curtains?
Well, Globus, if they are, I bet they're doing the quantum tango. Nice and sneaky.
And someday, we'll synchronize all these cosmic dances into a universal playlist.
As long as it doesn't turn into a black hole dance-off, then we're really screwed.
But hey, if the universe keeps bouncing, maybe we're all just part of a grand cosmic loop, forever curious, forever bouncing.
And that's what makes physics fun. Endless mysteries, infinite loops, and a universe that never gets bored.
So here's to cosmic bouncing, black hole dance-offs, and the universe's eternal party. Let's keep exploring.